diehard Patriots fan who pulled the fire alarm at the Steelers team hotel is embarrassed by this, according to his lawyer. Prosecutors say that East Boston man was drunk and did this as a dare. WBZ's David Robichaux is live at Gillette with more on this. Roby?
David, of course, Steelers fans said immediately it must be the cheating Patriots who had something to do with this. But state police say there was no conspiracy here. It was a lone alarm puller.
Commonwealth versus Dennis Harrison.
He calls himself a diehard Patriots fan, but 25-year-old Dennis Harrison allegedly admitted to police that he did something most fans would consider extreme. In the middle of the night Sunday, Harrison claims he set off a fire alarm at the Logan Hilton, where the Pittsburgh Steelers were sleeping.
I thought it might be Alarmgate, a ploy by the Patriots. You never know.
3 a.m., hotel guests and the Steelers jarred from a good night's sleep. State police say Harrison told them he was drunk and acting on a dare. When they asked him why he pulled the alarm, he replied, quote, because the Pittsburgh Steelers are there. Harrison's defense attorney says his client may have talked too much while under the influence.
And, you know, when you've been drinking, you may say things that you would not otherwise say.
Some Pats fans praised Harrison's actions.
So people are saying the Crafts should give him season tickets.
I agree. I wish I thought of it.
But the Boston Fire Department said this is no laughing matter. 3 fire trucks from 3 different stations had to respond. Spokesman Steve McDonald told me, this is not a harmless prank. It has consequences. You are playing with people's lives. This was a very dangerous game.
Harrison was released after posting $100 bail. The charges include disorderly conduct, false fire alarm, and disturbing the peace. After he posted bail on Sunday, he immediately went to the Patriots game. Live in Foxborough, I'm David Robichaux, WBZ News.